Hey y'all, just want to do a quick video. In case you guys didn't know, these are the clouds from Nicole. Currently she's a tropical storm right now, but it's getting pretty windy around Pensacola area. She's just off to the east of us, and just walking down the street here. So just wanted to show you guys a video. Walk out real bad, you can see over there. It's dark, and told you guys I'd try to do more videos like this. It's not raining yet, but it should be raining here in about I want to say half hour to an hour. I'm walking to the store right now, so but yeah, hopefully see you guys pretty soon. The car came up on me quick, but yeah, you can see over there, really dark over there. Yeah, it's getting pretty dark, but yeah, if you guys want more videos like this, just remember to just remember to like and subscribe, and I'll try my best to upload these videos for you. Till next time.